Alright, here we are. We're just getting ready to do this. Right here, the wife's not happy with us, okay?
Not?
It's okay, look there. Do a little wave. Hey there, cheeky. Oh, look at her. Oh, here we go. Give her a little throttle. There you go. There.
Sometimes it helps if I reignite it.
Here, look. I don't know if there's gas in there. Okay, go now.
There's gas, because I can see it.
Oh, can you? There, that should be kick off. Alright, well then. Oh, the wind's kind of died down. You should get the little. Hey, Nate, you should get yours out. The wind's like died down a ton.
You guys can fly my other one.
I'll fly your other one.
Get it out. Fly it. Batteries are on the back. Radio's on the back.
I just hate to crash the thing.
Come on, baby. Come on.
There.
Ooh, that seized it. Ah, it's shooting gas out. There it goes.
Just hold it down.
Huh?
Just hold it down. It's flooded, I think. Let it burn for a minute at high RPM. Throwing rocks. Throwing rocks there, Jimmy Dean.
Alright,
Flight
flight number 2.
number 2. Actually, it's like 3rd flight, 4th flight. Good call, good call. Oh, shyster.
The wind did that.
Did you get that okay? Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it. Oh my.
Freaking wind did that.
Oh, crap.
Dad, how are you gonna get that?
That one's gonna be tough to rebuild, man. Your wings look like they're still kind of there. Oh, body just fell out of it. Oh my gosh.
Okay, Jason.
You snapped it in half.
I'm looking at the nose right now.
It's literally snapped in half.
Look.
Wait. Hold on.
If I had shoes on, I'd try to climb up there. Do you have tennis shoes on?